Cheers everybody, this is Tom with Gold Spot Pens, and I'm here today to discuss with you all of the newest and hottest in fine writing. And I'm fired up today to talk to you about the new Montegrappa Fortuna Blazer pen collection. Let's see if this Italian-made luxury pen can stand up to the heat, and how many cliche fire phrases that I can include in one video. First, a little background information. Montegrappa is the first Italian manufacturer of writing instruments, founded in Bassano del Grappa in 1912, before both world wars. It was a baptism of fire at first, but the company had gone on to set the world ablaze with the finest pens of choice for notable authors, popes, presidents, and royalty. The outer dark blue cardboard box opens to reveal an inner clamshell box that has the Montegrappa logo engraved on a plate in the center. The hinged box opens to reveal the pen inside the plush, fabric-lined surroundings. The Fortuna pen is neatly tucked under a sash, bagged for additional protection. Since we're looking at the fountain pen, there are 2 ink cartridges included with the pen, stored in a separate baggie. Pulling up on the sash will remove the platform so you can access the warranty and instruction manual booklet underneath. The Fortuna model is a modern reinterpretation of a classic everyday writing pen. Montegrappa introduced the design back in 2012, quickly becoming the flagship model for the Italian brand. The blue blazer takes the graceful profile lines of the cap and body and accents it with a polished metal look like no other. Named after the first cocktail to use the flame in its preparation, the Fortuna Blue Blazer's polished steel exterior is hand-torched to achieve the colorful, haphazard pattern of swirls on metal. A Blazer by Montegrappa silver tankard accompanies each Fortuna Blue Blazer pen. Prepare your own incendiary beverage using the original recipe card that is also included. Since each pen is hand-burnished, no 2 Blue Blazer pens will look exactly alike. The process is deliberate and artistic, as evidenced from this video showing Montegrappa's artisans lighting up a new Blazer pen. The Fortuna Blazer's nib is forged from stainless steel with an iridium tip. All Blazer pens now use a number 6 Jovo nib for an optimal out-of-the-box writing experience. It is available in fine, medium, or broad tip sizes. The fountain pen fills using the included international ink cartridge or converter, which is a threaded international type. If you choose to remove the converter, use a rubber grip, as it is attached quite tightly. The pen has a hefty weight in hand, coming in at 48 grams. It can be written with posted or unposted, although posting the cap becomes a bit back-heavy. The grip area is slightly contoured and thick enough to feel comfortable, despite being made of polished metal. The fine point on this nib is smooth, well-tuned for moderate flow. It can keep up with more quick-fire writing and provides slight line variation when pressure is applied on the tines. If fountain pens don't light your fire, Montegrappa also offers this collection in twist action ballpoint or rollerball modes. So I hope you enjoyed our look at the red-hot Montegrappa Fortuna Blazer. Here's the part where I could tell you to pull the trigger and fire away to purchase this pen at goldspot.com. However, I don't like to put a fire under anybody to buy a pen. We'll let you make the decision on your own. If this pen puts a fire in your heart, leave a comment below and let us know. If you have any questions, feel free to fire away by sending me an email at tom@goldspot.com. If you'd like to see more fine writing videos, hit subscribe so you won't miss a new episode. And I thank you for watching. As always, stay inky, my friends. Take care.